Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be doing another video. And today's video is going to be on Animal Jam Play Wild. Loads of you guys thought I deleted this, and well, not those people, but some of my friends and stuff that subscribed thought that I deleted this, and I actually haven't. So yeah, I need to fucking open this bag because it has something in it. What I need and what I want. Come on. Oh, okay, that's open. Yeah, I need to open this last bit. Oh my god, wait, this is actually hard. Okay, I'm almost done. While we're loading, I guess I can do this. Oh, wait. Okay. It's open. Right. I don't really care. Yeah, okay. So what? You guys might get mad when I show you this, but I saved up enough sapphires to get a new den, and I have a new den, as you can see. By the way, I can't put anything here which sucks, but I'll just give you a little tour. So this is the porch swing area. This is also where you can get really muddy. And I look like poo. But yeah, that's the muddy area. And then we have these two porch swings. Yeah. Then I have a fountain here. It doesn't really do anything, it just makes it look pretty. My beach ball and an umbrella. This bridge I put here, it didn't actually come with the set, I just put it here. Another fountain. Up here is the dining area, I guess you could say. I'm still working on getting furniture. Up here is like the meeting room, where if anyone's like annoying or something, they have to come here, and it's gonna be the meeting room. Up here, got this little archway. There is literally nothing here because I'm still working on this being the bedroom. Up here is a tire string, which I don't even know if it actually works. Oh wait, what? No! It's a zip line? I thought that was something else, and it's a zip line. Okay, well, I have a zip line in my back garden. There's a zip line. Okay, well, if I go over the bridge, on the front here, I have some lights and some carrots. I do need to get more of those. Then these stepping stones. This is just like the sofa or the couch, there's plushies and stuff. But I want to decorate the bedroom, so let's buy stuff. So I don't have that much coins. Oh, to make the food area look a little bit nicer, I might get like the pizza counter. Oh, that is cool. Is it kind of from the yeah? I might get that color. Yep, bye. And I'm gonna get a pizza box. Wait. Oh, it's just the front colors that change. Okay. I want like electronics, so that's good. I definitely know that there's laptops, which I do want a laptop. I need like beds. There's, oh wait, are there carrots here? I went on kitchen. Because there's corn, so you would think there would be carrots, but then again, I don't know if I probably would have got that from the thingy. And I can buy a super claw, which I might buy. There's no like beds, which really sucks because I need one. I feel like just getting them another princess sofa for the bed. Then they're gonna need a chair. Right, we'll get you. We'll get you a light blue. Whoever wants to be my child. And we'll get you a electric table for your laptop. Right, that is enough. I spent too much money. 5. Okay. Yeah, I bought a lot of stuff for my sapphires. Wait. I might just go back shopping and just buy another leaf chair. Because I need a chair. We'll get you this colour for your room. And it barely even goes well. So yeah, couches. So you sit down in a chair and watch YouTube. Okay. Not much I can do. Let me see what parties are going on. Because play as your pet party, I don't have that. When's the bunnies only party? Oh, there's no bunnies only party on today. That sucks. Okay, well, I'll be right back. Actually, no, that's going to be the end of the video. So, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know every single day when I post. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.